So impressed with this after just one use. Impressive rice toner that is packed with. So, which is better for what skin type? Hello annyeong, this is Yuhi from One Eye Beauty, the place to find all the Korean beauty info in one eye. Beauty of Joseon has just dropped a new product, Glow Replenishing Rice Milk. Could this be your next holy grail? Rice is a powerhouse ingredient with multiple skin benefits. It fights hyperpigmentation, calms redness, evens out the skin tone, and controls excessive oil. Perfect skincare ingredient to add to your summer skincare routine. Today I'll be comparing this with the ultimate best-selling rice toner, I'm from Rice Toner. Plus, there's a surprise rice product reveal at the end, so make sure you stick around until the end of this video. Before we kickstart, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to show some love and support. 감사합니다. Thank you so much. This was my skin back in my 20s. Why am I showing this? Because it was rice that transformed my skin. I had acne and dull skin back then. It was my mum's homemade rice water and mask that saved my skin. I briefly explained about this in one of my previous videos and on my homepage, About page. This homemade rice water and mask is dead easy to make. It doesn't involve any boiling or blending, so I'll show you how to make this DIY homemade rice water and mask in my next video, so make sure you're subscribed to not to miss out. Today's video is about Beauty of Joseon Rice Milk versus I'm from Rice Toner. Both of these remind me a lot of my rice water that I used to use almost every night back in the day. Let's compare and see what are the differences and which are better for what skin type. Beauty of Joseon Glow Replenishing Rice Milk. The new milk toner from Beauty of Joseon. As I was so impressed with this after just one use, I almost immediately made and released a shorts video on it. A very hydrating and nourishing milky toner that feels gentle on the skin. Check out this gorgeous milky texture enriched with rice extract and rice amino acids to deeply hydrate, even out skin tone and brighten your complexion. Rich in antioxidants, it helps to control sebum production for perfectly balanced moisture and oil levels. Plus, it includes skin hydrating panthenol, ceramide, skin soothing centella asiatica, and tocopherol, making it perfect for all skin types, including sensitive ones. Another well-made product from Beauty of Joseon that feels hydrating, moisturizing, and nourishing all at the same time. That's priced around $18 for 150 ml. What a great value! I'm from Rice Toner. I've shown this viral rice toner previously in my #1 global Korean skincare brands video. I've got a small version of 13 ml over here. This is especially loved internationally as it was one of the first toners that showcased the unique benefits of rice to the global market. This is also a milky toner with a watery texture infused with 77.78% white rice extracts. Other key ingredients include niacinamide, rice bran extract, and adenosine to help further with skin brightening and anti-aging. It's also infused with amaranthus, caudatus seed extract, and portulaca or lauracia extract to provide nourishing and soothing effect. An impressive rice toner that is packed with over 70% of white rice extracts. This is priced around $28 for a set of 2 of 150 ml. Another great value. So, which is better for what skin type? In my opinion, the I'm from Rice Toner is suitable for combination and oily skin types due to its watery and lightweight texture and its high concentration of over 70% of white rice extracts, which makes it effective for skin brightening and controlling oil. On the other hand, the Beauty of Joseon rice milk does not specify its rice content. One of the ways to estimate the amount of ingredient used in a product is to check its position on the ingredient list. The closer to the beginning, the higher its concentration. Its fairly high placement of rice extract in the Beauty of Joseon ingredient list suggests that significant amount of rice extract is included. I also want to highlight glycerin and panthenol, both excellent for skin hydration, in the top of this list. No wonder why this toner is so moisturizing and nourishing, making it ideal for dry skin types. So, is the I'm from Rice Toner a better rice toner as it contains a higher rice extract content? That would depend on your skin needs. As I always say, the best skincare product is what works for your skin. For instance, my sister with an oily skin type, she found this I'm From rice toner too drying on the face. So if you're one of those or you have a dry skin type, Beauty of Joseon rice milk will be a better option for you due to its richer hydration. If you have extremely oily skin type or you need something powerful for skin brightening, then you should go for this I'm From rice toner. So by now you know that rice is a great ingredient for skin brightening, hyperpigmentation, enhancing skin radiance, and controlling sebum production. I've seen firsthand how rice transformed my dull and acne-prone skin in the past, and that is why I've included it as one of the top ingredients for acne skin in my free PDF guide, Top 3 Skincare Ingredients Your Skin Will Love. This guide helps you to find the best 3 ingredients to help with your skin concerns. It's my free gift for you, so feel free to download it from the link in the comment section below. As promised, the last surprising rice product I have with me is another rice toner that is a toner and emulsion in one. FLASKIN Rice Enzyme Protein Toner. FLASKIN is a new sister brand of Numbuzin that launched this year. Their #1 focus is protein, a vegan brand that uses plant-based protein from rice, soybean, and oats. FLASKIN has gifted me this toner earlier this year and it seems to be very popular at Olive Young already. This milky toner has a watery texture similar to the I'm From rice toner. It contains 600,000 ppm of white rice protein and enzymes which help improve skin tone, reduce hyperpigmentation, and enhance firmness. Additionally, it is enriched with micro-emulsion for deep hydration, soothing centella asiatic extract and ceramide for added hydration. This makes it another excellent choice for those with dry skin. This is a great protein boosting rice toner that is priced around $25 for 250 ml. If you're interested in shopping for any of the products I mentioned in today's video, all the shopping links and discount codes will be down at the information section below, so go and check them out. And please leave a comment down below. Which rice toner has interested you? Which one would suit to your skin type? I'd love to hear from you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next Korean beauty video. 안녕!